Hi, my name is Luke and welcome back to the ProfileTree Premiere Pro tutorial series. Today I will be taking you through how to use some of the selection tools that you see in Premiere Pro. So firstly we're just going to drag in some clips and then we will begin. So the first one, which I think people seem to forget, which can be quite handy, is this one right here, which is called linked selection. So if you have that on, when you click your clip, your video clip, then the audio that is linked with that clip will also be highlighted. But if you check and have that off, then you can select each clip individually, which saves you having to go unlink for each individual one. It'll save you a lot of time if you need the clips unlinked for any particular reason. So that's the first one I would definitely touch on, which can be extremely useful and can save you a lot of time. The next one I'm going to talk about is quite basic, which is the text or type tool. So people often, when they first start out in Premiere Pro, get a bit confused, don't know where to look in order to find their text. You know, you've got your essential graphics up here, and sometimes it's a bit confusing, the user interface for a beginner. So yeah, this is how you do text. Simply drag and then click, and then you can type away, and then over here on the right hand side you can edit the font, the size, different styles, etc. So that will be brought up over here on your essential graphics tab. So this is your main tool, the selection tool, which I'm sure most of you will be aware of. It's the one you'll use the most often. Track select forward if you want to move all your clips forward. Quite a handy tool for that. Your razor tool, so that just splits up your clips, but I find that a handier way to do that is the ripple edit, which I will show you now. So if you drag your clips in and you hit B on your computer, you will find that it is a lot quicker for cutting up your clips and moving them. The pen tool, if you need to draw some shapes, can be handy for certain things. It's not that commonly used, but it can be extremely handy if you need to create some designs or shapes. And your hand tool is just to drag across your sequence. So rather than being on your select tool, this controls your clips, whereas your hand tool will enable you to drag, especially if you've got a long sequence. The hand tool can come in very useful. However, you can also control this down at the bottom, just here. So yeah, that's all I'm going to touch on today. Just a few basic tips on how to use the selection tools in Premiere Pro. If you have any questions on any of these or any unrelated questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you very much for listening today, and I will see you again soon. Thanks, bye.